What is going on?
Oh no! Did I touch something? Did the hug activate something in Creepy Doll?
The sounds of my youth.
No, I don't know what that was, but I loved it. All right, friends. $6.90 or multiples thereof. Just like Doom Frog just did there. Really appreciate it. From brain to keyboard as well. Nice. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Osprey, thank you for the 1380.
Don't you put it in your mouth. Don't you put it in your mouth.
I'm not going to put it in my mouth. I promise. I promise I won't put it in my mouth.
I don't know what I pressed to make that happen.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Is the engineering equipment gaining sentience?
Just another day in engineering.
Yeah.
I think Nightwatch was taking Rachel through some of those things, so it's probably Ben's fault.
Yeah.
If you push any button and it makes a sound you didn't want it to, it's probably Ben's fault.
That's fair.
I mean,
I would also maybe blame Joe, honestly.
Maybe.
Also, if you push a button and it does do what you wanted, that's probably also Ben's fault.
Yeah.